How to set up answer restrictions in Microsoft Forms. When you give people a completely blank text field in a survey, they will type whatever they want. They will write out full sentences where you only need numbers, add extra symbols, or enter typos that completely scramble your spreadsheet data when you try to sort it later. Today we are locking down those open-ended fields using native answer restrictions to ensure your audience only submits clean, perfectly formatted data. Let's look at the settings. Okay, so open the active form you're using and then click the blue Add New button right over here. Then guys, choose text right over here from the choice to drop a fresh open-ended question card onto your screen. Then type your main inquiry into the question prompt bar, the one that you wish. For example, I will use this one. And once your prompt text is written, look at the lower right margin of that specific block card. So right next to the required toggle switch, click on the three dots right over here. And this will bring up this configuration tray. From the flying pop-up menu, I'll click Restrictions. The system will instantly turn this validation layer to on, dropping a fresh configuration rule bar directly beneath your respondent's answer row placeholder. So by default, the system automatically sets your fresh data validation constraint rule to number. This baseline setting means if a user tries to type any letters, punctuation rows, or words into that block, the interface completely rejects it. If you click that rule box drop-down arrow, you open up an advanced data validation library. So as you can see, you can choose conditional math operators like greater than, less than, or between, which is a massive lifesaver for matching specific age requirements, zip code lengths, or math equation values. You can even lock down the layout to strictly accept valid email address paths, absolute web URLs, or exact character counts. So just set them up whatever you wish, then you can just go ahead and click preview, then see that everything works, and then your form is created. That is it. Enjoy the videos as always, guys. Like and subscribe as well.